So we are going to make a backend change right now in our application. We'll make the changes, push the changes to GitHub repo, and that is expected to trigger the pipeline, the backend pipeline. So the idea is then it will go, once the backend pipeline is triggered, it will go to our, it will push the image to our repository, backend repository here, and then the image updater will detect if the new image is pushed by checking the GitHub push, and then it will deploy the latest image onto our cluster that we can test it on the go, right? Okay, so let's get started. We'll make the changes in, we have already made the changes to our code. We'll do that git add -new, then we'll add the give message. Okay. So this is how our pipeline looks. This is, if you see closely, the job has already triggered. So it is already in place and running. This is already running. It is running the sonar scan right now. Once the build is complete, I will show you how the sonar scan. Now the image is getting built. The Docker image is getting built, and it will go through the scans. It will push the image to, so this is the image that is getting pushed. It is suffixed by timestamp and the build number. So the build has been pushed. It is already there. We'll refresh it. It is there. See this? Yeah, this has been pushed. So we'll go to Argo right now. Okay. So yeah, if you see, this is in progressing mode. If you see, this is how the whole pipeline is getting triggered. See, this API endpoint is, API replica set is getting deployed right now. We'll see this. It was 17 and the latest image is 18. So it is getting deployed. If you soon you will see that pod getting deployed over here. See this, pods are getting deployed. Also we have the logs running. So see, this backend is progressing. Yeah. Meanwhile the pods are getting deployed. So once this is done, the new pods will get deployed and the older pods will be terminated. You see this kubectl get pods -3 tiers. Watch. You see, API is for backend, so this is getting terminated and the new pods are coming up. So both the pods are up and the last two pods are getting deployed. See this, we'll see this has the latest image. This is the latest image, and if we go to our GitHub repo will have the last change also. This is our GitHub repo. See this is the change we did, and you can see it in our backend application as well. The SHA ID is same as in the GitHub repo. And if we go to this is the change we did. So we are not updating the deployment file while we are doing it. We're just changing the, okay. So now since the application is right, yeah, if you see this, now the application, all of the application are in healthy state and are synced. Now yeah, so the application is deployed. Let's refresh this. This is our application. Okay, you would not see much into it, but we can do a curl over here. The application, yeah, this thing, yeah. So this is the change that we did. If you see here, yeah, this was the change was added, orange theme updated, timestamp, and this is what we are getting. If we do the curl also, should be getting this, yeah. So our application is deployed. Now let's see the Sonar first. Sonar is this. Let me refresh. It is running on the same Jenkins server. Sonar is running as a container there. So last analysis was 5 minutes ago. Okay, so this is the thing. And then if we go to Prometheus is running over here. This is the target health. I'll show you the target health. Yeah, it is collecting the matrices, the endpoints for both the servers. So 244 and 135 are the one. 244 and 135 are the endpoints. And if we do the query, I have the query written. You can check for CPU seconds. You can see the front-end API. These are anyway the old one. So see it right now. Yeah, the CPU usage we can see, and also we have the dashboards are also ready. So yeah, I'll navigate you to the dashboard. This is the dashboard that we are using. So it displays the information. So how many pods are running, how many deployments are there, services are there, ingress, how many pods in total in the cluster they are running, the network IO, memory usage, CPU usage, and file system usage. It shows everything. See, these are the pods that are getting displayed. You can see for each pod. These pods are down, that's why they are not up. 2D9MR, 2D9MR, these are the ones which are running. Yeah. We have good graph for the monitoring purpose. Yeah, that's pretty much. Thank you.